Welcome to Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a video series that will help you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, let's learn how to create a solar system presentation in PowerPoint. But before that, check out Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in to get presentation templates, themes, and other design tools, along with an AI-powered presentation creator. Download and use the add-in for free using the link in the description. Anyway, let's move on to the video. Let's start by inserting a suitable background to a blank slide. Right-click on the slide and click Format Background, and under Fill, select Picture and select on the Insert button. Select a picture you want as the slide background. Once that is done, let's create the title slide first. Add some text by selecting the text box from Shapes and adjust the font, color, size, and placement to create your title slide. With the text selected, go to Home and click on Arrange and align it center and middle. Now let's create subsequent slides. Go to the slide overview pane on the left and right-click and duplicate a slide, or simply select it and press Ctrl+D. On the second slide, let's remove the title text, and now let's add some 3D elements to the slide. Go to Insert, 3D Models, and search for the planets you want to add. Let's search for Earth first. Click Insert to add it to your slide. Search for the other planets as well. For example, let's insert Pluto and maybe even insert the Sun onto your slide. Resize all these 3D shapes by selecting them all and dragging the corner handles. And then go to Arrange and arrange them on your slide. Don't forget to also distribute these 3D models horizontally. Once that is done, let's add some text with titles as well. You can also group all these elements together by selecting them all, right-clicking and clicking on Group. Then go to Arrange again and align it to the middle. Once you've created slide 2, let's create more slides. And for this, let's duplicate the slide as shown before. On the third slide, ungroup the content and delete the objects you don't want. Let's reposition the Earth model, remove the duplicate content, resize the model, and add some new text for the slide. As you can see, this slide features just one planet with some text on the side. This is great for talking about one specific planet at a time. Let's create more slides like this in the same way by adding 3D elements and some text, which will look like this. And now you have a very nice looking solar system presentation that you built on PowerPoint. But to really take it one step above, you might want to animate your presentation. This is where the Morph Transition comes in, which will truly take your presentation to the next level. But before we add a Morph Transition to your presentation, here's a basic overview of how Morph works. To have a smooth Morph Transition, you need the same elements on all the slides involved in the transition. For example, if you're trying to apply Morph Transition to these slides, you need to have both the 3D shapes on both slides. This is the only way that you can get Morph Transitions to work in PowerPoint. Keeping this in mind, let's make the required edits to the presentation to add Morph Transitions to it. To create a smooth Morph Transition between the first two slides, let's copy the content from slide 2 onto slide 1, and then move the elements where you want them to fly in from. I want the 3D planets to fly into slide 2 from the top. So I'm going to place them at the top. Similarly, I am going to place the content on slide 2 at the bottom of slide 1. Now let's optimize slide 2 and slide 3 for Morph Transition. Copy the contents of slide 2 onto slide 3 and move them where you want them to exit to. I am going to place the 3D elements to the right side since that is where they will go when the slide transitions. I am also going to move the text towards the left side of slide 3. To complete the edits needed for Morph Transitions between these two slides, we also need to copy the content on slide 3 onto slide 2, and we'll move them below slide 2 as shown. In the same way, let's edit slide 3 and slide 4. Copy the content on slide 4 to slide 3. And then move it below slide 3. And copy the content on slide 3 to slide 4. And move it above slide 4. Similarly, make changes to slide 4 and slide 5 as well. And then select all these slides in the slide outline and apply Morph Transition. So there you have it, a beautiful solar system presentation made directly on PowerPoint with Morph Transitions. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Slabisa's free PowerPoint add-in. The link is in the description.